dream I know deep up my feelings for you.
The presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party in 2023 general election, Atiku Abubakar, said that acts of banditry and terrorism have become routine in the country. My people don't be smoke gay. Moving on, after this we have Goodluck Jonathan told President Bola Ahmed Tinubu to build democracy that will reduce friction. Before I go carry this matter, can't give you now. Welcome back to my wonderful channel, Reality Latest Gist, as we bring you back-to-back updates and information as they hot. If today now your first time to watch this wonderful channel, kindly subscribe, like, comment, share, and also turn notification bell to get notified so that anytime our news drop, now you go be the first to watch. And my people, don't be small matter they happen for this country. But before I go bring the story, I go welcome all my amazing subscribers and viewers. Thank you so much for joining us on today's news. So guys, make I yarn on the story. The presidential candidate of the People Democratic Party in 2023 general election, Atiku Abubakar, don't come talk say banditry and terrorism. Be like say it don't become routine for this country. He said this on his post via his X handle while reacting to a report of Sunday attack by bandits on Yagoji village in Kakra local government area of Cãnnot state, which claimed the lives of 20 people. In a statement that was released on Monday by SP Abubakar Sadiq, the Cãnnot Police Command, they confirmed the killing of about 20 people, 4 police officers and 2 operatives of the state-owned Community Watch Corps. So the statement added that the bandits ambushed the police armored personnel carrier responding to the distress call at Jida Tofa and Danakwabo village, killing the security operative. So reacting to that incident, Atiku Abubakar said that banditry and terrorism attacks in the country have become routine. That the government seems helpless and nonchalant about the killing despite the enormous annual budget for defense. Every day now they sign out money for security, but they don't see him. So Atiku Abubakar said that it's so sad by the report he got on Yagoji village in Kakaraka local government of Cãnnot state, which claim scores of life and the kidnap of vulnerable women and children. So Atiku Abubakar said that the most worrisome thing about this incident is this, that the acts of banditry terrorism have become routine, with the government seeming helpless and nonchalant about it, despite the money that has been signed annually for insecurity. So the former vice president called on the federal government to ensure the protection of citizens and lives and properties, while he sympathized with the family of the victim. Atiku Abubakar said no go rest, so that he will keep calling on the government to be alive to their responsibilities of protecting the lives and properties of the citizens, because this security don't too much. But my people, notwithstanding that, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has also condemned the heinous act. He has told security agencies to ensure that those people are being fished out and brought to justice, while describing the latest attack as non-acceptable ones. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu emphasized that more will be done to secure citizens and completely degrade terrorists. So he has condoled with the families of the deceased as well as the government and people of Cãnnot state, and he prays for the repose of the souls of the departed. My people, now today they start to talk about insecurity and how to render those terrorists useless. But it seems as if they are not mounting pressure on that. According to what Atiku Abubakar said, the government seems helpless and relentless. If not to approve budget wey be say na the one wey go bring them money, they go quick approval. Money is being deducted, is being signed for securities, but the citizens are not seeing any of them. Rather, lives are being lost every day and they seem to do nothing. At this point, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu need to bring out a tight security to protect the lives and properties of citizens. So that I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you so much for staying to us. Moving on to the next word. The former President Goodluck Jonathan on Tuesday told President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration to build a democracy that would reduce friction after election. He described the avalanche of litigation that follows election in the country as embarrassing. Goodluck Jonathan also warned that democracy that is built on ethnicity and religion does not endure. So speaking as the chairman of Democracy Day public lecture with the theme 25 years of enduring democracy, prospects for the future at the Old Banquet Hall, Presidential Villa Abuja, he noted that in the last 25 years, Nigeria has built an economy that was once the biggest economy in Africa. Although he said that the country's democratic consolidation has not been an easy one. That for democracy to yield dividends, Though political actors must change their flamboyant lifestyle. Honestly, they go agree hear this one. So Goodluck Jonathan emphasized the need to strengthen state institutions in order to strengthen democracy. He condemned what he described as politics where the winner takes all, saying that it is not healthy in a democratic system. The former vice president advised the National Assembly to look at the governance model that can suit the country in order for the people to benefit from the needed dividends. That is the truth. That's what it's supposed to be. Like Jonathan argued this practice of take all approach in politics. He said that this excludes other parties regardless of their performance in the poll. So that undermines political justice and the goal of fostering national unity. So he has urged the National Assembly to develop a system allowing political parties that achieve a certain percentage of votes in an election to have a role in governance. That the zero-sum kind of politics where a winner takes it all has not helped the foster unity and political justice. Lord Jonathan said a political party, for example, that scored up to 30% of votes during an election, either at the national, sub-national level, should have something to home with. That he's not clearly recommending proportional representation, but different governments have come up with models of democracy that suits them. So after all, the presidents we are talking about, all presidents of the world, don't merge through the same process. But in Nigeria, we elect our president directly. In a number of countries, presidents are elected indirectly. So the power of the president as defined by the different constitution and so on and so forth. Our National Assembly can also look at models that will suit everyone in this country. So when concluding his speech, Goodluck Jonathan said that everyone can come together and forge a Nigeria where every citizen has a voice, where opportunities are bound, where the promise of a better tomorrow is not just a dream but a tangible reality. So he wants everyone to celebrate this milestone with pride and renewed determination. He also urged President Bola Ahmed Tinubu administration to make the next 25 years of politics transformative and inclusive. Because if we look at the wordings of our national anthem, he thinks that the second stanza said that to hand over to our children a banner without stain. So Goodluck Jonathan is hammering on that we should not hand over to our children that democracy built on politics of religion or region. That a democracy built on ethnicity does not endure. So they are all hoping that President Bola Ahmed Tinubu will build more infrastructure for them and improve the quality of education, health facility and every other thing. So my people, we have to dilute this, what Goodluck Jonathan said, if we must have a solid and enduring democracy. Because the avalanche of litigation that follows every round of election in Nigeria is very embarrassing. Honestly, so guys, I would like to know your thoughts, your contributions, opinions are in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. Once again, thank you all so much for staying to us. We really do appreciate. On this note, we have come to the end of today's segment. Till I come your winners, stay safe guys. Bye.